Hi guys, in this video I will show you a demo on how to use like buttons and how you can do them in Flutter. So the basic code which I am using here is that of you can just ignore this list for now, is the basic code which I get from the main.dart file, and in that I have made some changes already in my home page class. So the changes which I have made is that I am returning a container which contains a card layout and which has an image in it surrounded by sized boxes. So what this code does is something like this. So now in this, what we'll do is we will add a like button below it. So in order to add a like button, we need to download the like button package. So go to Google and then type like button in Flutter. And now click on the first link which you get here. And after clicking, go to the installing section and then just copy this, which we have to paste under the dependencies. Now go to the pubspec.yaml file which is located here. So now go there and paste it and now save it. It will take a few seconds for installing, and once it is done you can use it in your main.dart file. So for that we need to import the package like button, and now we are ready to use it. And what we'll do is that since we have to display the like button below the image, we have to keep the image and like button in column. So that's what I'm doing here. See, this is the column, and in this widget section I'm rendering the like button. So we can use like button directly, and now save it and let's see the change. Now what you can see is that the image after the size box, and then we have a like button. If we click on it, we can see some kind of animation and it looks beautiful. But we can also change a few things or parameters, like if we want to increase the size, we can use the size option, and here I'll give it as 40. Save it, and now you can see that the size has increased. Now also if you if you want to give the like count, you can give that here. So for that I'll start it with 0 and now save the changes. Now you can see that 0 is depicted just beside this heart, and if we click on it, it changes to 1, and if we click once again, it becomes 0. So this is a few, if you click here, if you just keep your mouse here, you'll find that there are a lot of things which you can assign. So suppose you want the like button icon to be different. So this can be done by using the like builder. So for that I'll use like builder, and it takes one parameter here, and I'll take it as bool light or something like. And now just you need to return what icon you want here. So for example, I'll return some icon, and in that I'll return maybe icons dot filter. I have one, yeah, this one. This is just a flower like icon, and I want to return that. And here we can also define the color which we want when it changes. So the color which we want is that if the image is liked, it should be red, and otherwise it should be white. So that's what I'll do here. So I'll in this I'll take a variable color, and no, sorry, we can directly assign the color here. We don't require any variable for it. And I'll just check this, that if it is liked, then the color will be red, otherwise it will be white. So now we'll use the ternary condition to check if it is liked. Then I'll use the colors dot red, and otherwise I'll use colors dot white. And now once again we can define the size here, and I'll keep it to 50, and let us see that, and give the comma here. No, you have to write semicolon. Just format the code, save it, and let's see. Now you can see that we have a flower here, and 0 is written there because we have taken the like count to be 0. So now if I click on it, you'll see that the color changes from white to red. So this is the way in which you can assign different icons for that. Now for example, just think that the count is 0. So now some users might not know what to do with this icon. So you want to show some message. So in that case, you can use another builder, that is the count builder. So here I'll write that. Okay. So here you can use count builder, and in that it takes 3 parameters. That is, I'll take the one which is the count present, and another is whether it is liked or not, and the third is the string which we want to show. And now here we'll take the variable color to show which color to be displayed. So I'll take it as variable color, and I'll check if it is liked, and if it is liked, then the color will be colors dot purple. Otherwise I'll just keep it as colors dot white. Okay, so this is what I'm doing here. Now we can take, okay, here we have to use equal to. Now I'll take a widget and name it as result or anything, maybe WID also. So the widget which I have to display is this one. So now I will check the condition that if my count is equal to 0, then I have to then what I'll do is I'll assign the widget with a text widget, and this text will be that you have to click on it. So I'll just name it as love, or click, you can do anything, or you can write show some love. And if the count is not 0, then we will write the else statement, and then I'll assign the widget with normal text, and it will take the parameter which is present here, that is text. So in this, now I have to return the text. Just a second. Okay, return the widget, sorry, and now save it. Okay, we have to change the color of text because it won't be visible. Because the color is black, so for that we can change this to white. And now you can see that it is showing show some love, but this is white in color, so it won't be shown. And now you can see that you can see the color changes as well as the number. So let us keep it as black only and make the changes in this. And for changing the color, I'll use style with text style, and in that I'll give color as colors dot white, and I'll use the same thing there also. Now save it, and you can see that it shows that you have an icon. Along with it, it shows some love because the count is 0. And now when you click, you'll see the color changes, and you'll also have 1. So this is the way in which you use the like buttons in Flutter. So thanks for watching my videos. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.